gentlemen, ladies, we're here at the Optima Sonoran Village. This looks like a massive influencer apartment complex, businesses, everything and anything under the sun here in Scottsdale, Arizona. We're here in the Toyota Prius because unfortunately this is my only car. We're taking a 10.5-hour road trip in the Murcielago. Wait, hold on, is this a 65 V12 SL? Dude, that's hot. That's hot. No one buys the 65s. That's so Arizona. But there it is, the balloon white LP640 right over there. Man, oh man. I'll be taking this parking spot because I actually just got a warning here. Next time you park your vehicle in the visitor zone without a permit, get towed. At least in Arizona, they give you a warning. So that being said, let's hop on out and see what's up. Let's get a cold start on this sucker right here. Here we go. Before we get into today's video, we gotta thank today's video sponsor, and that is none other than 8-Ball Pool. It's an incredibly addicting and fun game that you can play with a friend. You can sign in with Miniclip, Facebook account, Google Games, and challenge your friends anytime, anywhere. You can play matches to increase your ranking and get access to more exclusive match locations where you can compete against the best pool players. There's a brand new feature in the game called 8-Ball Pool Pass. It's skill-based and allows a user to unlock exclusive coins, avatars, special cues, and exclusive emotes throughout the entire game. This is only available from level 5 and upwards, but it's super easy to get there by winning 3 to 4 matches to unlock Pool Pass. Support my channel by downloading the 8-Ball Pool game via my special link in the description below. If you download the game on your phone, you can use the special reward link to claim the exclusive Hype Cue. Discover the new opportunities of the leading billiard game on the mobile platforms with the brand new Pool Pass feature. Make sure to click on the special link. Hook yourselves up, guys. Back to the video. Oh, we gotta check out the trunk space here.
Check out this trunk space. What a good road trip car.
Oh my goodness.
Ridiculous.
We've got duffel bag, 2 backpacks, and a suitcase here.
Full suitcase.
Look at that.
Carry-on size.
Amazing. This must be like an Arizona thing to leave your golf bag out there right next to your parking spot. That thing will be gone in 30 seconds flat in Los Angeles. But hey, we're in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona here with the LP640 in balloon white. This thing is Let's open up the door. Ooh. Slide in there. Oh yeah. Look at that, Mr. Sheep. I love this guy. There he is. Hey. Woo. Close call. We're like 5 minutes into the trip. We got cops everywhere already. Good Lord. Dude, I don't know, man. Oh. That guy's sweating bullets. Dude, right there.
Is that a Pontiac vibe? It's a Pontiac. No, it's a Saturn.
Oh, no. I don't know, man.
Just downshift.
She's going to light him up right after the... Ooh.
Oh, dude. He's stalking him. Stalking him.
Stalking. That's scary, man. I think he's going to get pulled over 100% for sure. Jeez. Alright guys, we just hit Flagstaff. Oh my gosh. Arizona, this is our second fuel stop here. Let's check the prices. $3.20 for premium, still $1.50 cheaper than freaking Los Angeles. And the LP640 is looking mighty fine. We're gonna count how many gas stops this car is gonna make before we hit Salt Lake City. How many times do you think we're gonna stop?
I'm gonna call 8.
8?
Yeah, 8.
In total. So this is our second. 6 more to go, so we'll see. Oh, we're getting leaped on, son. Oh, look at this Sheep.
A natural tunnel, baby.
A natural tunnel. Let's hear it. Oh. Phillips number 3 here. Now, to be fair, the Phillips are not like from empty to full. They're around like half or a quarter tank, so third fill up, halfway there. Page, California. Oh, and by the way, gas is a little bit more expensive here. We're at $3.50 for Shell V-Power Nitro Plus. Still an entire dollar cheaper than Los Angeles, so yeah. Guys, check this out. We're currently here in Page, Arizona, at the Walmart that the Murcielago stopped by here. I think it was 3 or 4 years ago. Check it out. We got the Instagram post right here. Boom. Well, he couldn't afford the hotel room, so he bought a tent and camped outside of Walmart. And I think this is the exact spot. We got the red rock, we got the bush, and the light color rock right here. That looks like to be the spot. I'm pretty sure he stood right up here. There it is. There's a shot right there. Boom.
We are here, baby.
Look at that. It looks like the bush got a little bit bigger, but you know, that's okay.
That's what she said. There it is.
There it is, guys. Wow. Boom. Guys, gonna roll down the windows. Wait for it. The mighty. I love it. Yes. By the way, the town is actually named Beaver, so we're all good, right?
Don't get any ideas.
Don't get any ideas. Woo. Many thanks to Lambo Jesus for our hauling ass 10-hour trip, dude. Man. Holy crap, we made it. It is, what time is it? Like, oh, it's almost midnight. Seriously, we're finally here at the Murcielago's house. I think they probably heard us a mile away. I mean, do we just pull straight in?
Oh, dude, we're just pulling straight in.
Oh. He's like, I heard you, 5. There he is. Woo. Strandman's Aventador. Cold start. The weather here is unbelievable here in the state of Utah. Oh my goodness. Look at this. The sun is shining down on all of us here. Believe it or not, I have never actually been in this Aventador, so we're gonna hop in, get a first impression and a first ride. Here we go.
Sounds insane. Oh. I'm being embarrassed on my own turf.
What a beast. Alright guys, we're currently here on a private airstrip. There's a mini track for us to use. We got the Stradmobile right over here, and of course, silky smooth, baby. LP640 Murcielago. Double down on the V12s, which I'm going with the Murcielago. I'm sorry, James. I'm sorry, but we're currently here waiting for the airstrip to open, do some drag racing. The owner will be here in a little bit. We're going to make use of this little private track here. Trackhawk's going to try to set a lap record here. Here we go. Hold on. Silent but deadly.
All right, guys, we've been given the green light to put the Murcielago and the Aventador. Mr. Sheep piloting the LP640. Look at this guy. Oh no, he's drunk. Put him right there. Oh yeah, look at this sky. Look at this sunset here in Utah. We really did luck out with the weather today. So look at this. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. So we got the Lambo Jesus Mobile piloted by none other than Mr. Sheep official right over there versus the Stradmobile, the battle of the V12s. Oh boy, look at this airstrip. Wish it was a little wider, but you know what? This is just perfect. We're gonna have just enough room. Who do you think is gonna win? Dude, I don't know who's the winner. All right, here's the showdown. We're gonna do a little slow crawl up to 10 miles an hour. Hit the white lines, boom! Model X takes the lead, the Trackhawk right behind it. Oh, I can't tell. I think it's the Model X, man. I think it's the Model X. Here we go. This guy in the middle, just balls of steel. Dude, look at this guy. Absolute trust in the drivers. We got the Trackhawk versus the Model X. Round 2. Here we go. And boom. Oh no, Mr. Sheep. Oh man. You couldn't hang on. Oh, hold on to this guy here. Here we go. Woo! The Lambo Jesus at the wheel here. Here we go. Holy Jesus Christ! Dude! You're an animal, man. You're a beast. Look at that. Woo!
Trying to keep up with the new gen.
Man, that was close.
That was close.
Dude, that was close. Look at
Mercy
this.
holds up.
The Mercy holds up, man. Alex, do you know how fast he went?
I only watched the rev counter, bro.
Oh, I like that. There you go.
I think we were going about 140.
Oh no. Dude, I don't know. That was close. That was close. We're having a good time out here in Utah. Los Angeles, your time is up, man. I think it might be time to roll out of the Los Angeles County. I don't know. Too much fun in Arizona, Las Vegas, and of course Utah. Dude, should I make the move? Let me know in the comments below. I know you guys, a lot of you guys love the Beverly Hills content, but dude, sometimes you just gotta move on and make bigger moves. CTSV wagon, dude, I have always loved this car. I actually almost bought one years ago. It was a, I forgot what the edition was, like a light pale blue, limited edition, manual. Good Lord. This thing, gotta check out the plate here, the ZR1 wagon plate. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Dude, look at this lineup here. Hold on. Hey. Whoop. Oh, dude.
such a champ.
Oh man, I'm just dying right now.
Dude,
Woo!
the wagon.
The wagon, the ZR1 wagon.
It's mean. It's an angry
Dude,
wagon.
that thing is scary, dude.
Dude.
Wow. His wife's just like, oh, god damn it, Todd. Like,
Dude.
we got fans in the SUV over there just hanging out. Oh no,